Unitech Electronics was founded in 1979. We are committed to developing and producing industrial barcode and RFID products by own brand Unitech, and providing high-quality products and services for data collection and identification globally. Unitech products have been winning bunches of well-known awards in Taiwan and around the world, such as IF Design Award, COMPUTEX DNI Award, and Taiwan Excellence Award. With headquarters in Taiwan, Unitech establishes subsidiaries in the United States, the Netherlands, China, and Japan. It also brings services covering Southeast Asia, India, Middle East, ANZ, and all around Asia-Pacific region to meet customers' needs for a diverse range of products and services. Unitech solutions are widely used in various intelligent systems such as retail, logistics, warehousing, manufacturing, medical, chemical, hospitality, transportation, as well as government services. The goal of Unitech is to combine AIDC products with automation and system integration that meets market demands. This year, Unitech comes back to COMPUTEX with our brand new 5G rugged mobile computers PA768, EA660, RT112, and iOS LED scanner SL220. There is a lot of significant advantage and market differentiation of Unitech products. Firstly, Unitech features complete SDK and API functions along with own MDM software MobileLink developed independently for collecting a large amount of PDA battery health info, CPU load, memory capacity, and Wi-Fi signal strength, to providing enterprise customers with preventive maintenance and tremendously reducing security risks. In addition, Unitech also provides deployment software stage Go to simplify setup process by barcode scanning. Secondly, quality is what Unitech treasures the most. Unitech guarantees spare part supply and offers customized maintenance contracts to ensure the operation and after service. Last but not least, as the trend of smart applications, Unitech has been working closely and consistently with customers to explore and develop advanced AIDC solutions to improve efficiency and to bring prosperity. We expect to meet you and listen to you in the coming COMPUTEX from June 4th to 7th, 2024.